Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. So let us look at Bank Nifty review for this budget week. If you ask me who was the happiest person this week in stock market, then I will tell it's me because CPR was working very nicely even in this budget volatility, and I'm happy that many traders have made huge money in this week by only using CPR indicator. What else can make me more happy and comfortable other than the positive feedback from all of you? So I'm very happy this week, and as I said in the previous trade plan in Bank Nifty, I said that this level is very important. If these levels are broken, then there will be a huge fall in Bank Nifty. And I posted this video in January. And even before this video, I have been constantly telling that Bank Nifty is in a critical do or die situation. If these levels are broken, then Bank Nifty will fall. I was telling it repeatedly. And even in my Twitter, I was telling that Nifty is trading below monthly CPR levels. So we have to be cautious on the bull side because market looks to be bearish. As per our trade plan, what happened? Bank Nifty was witnessing some good fall and there was some good volatility in the market because of this budget season. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got for Monday. Bank Nifty clearly took resistance at daily CPR and it started to come down. So that clearly shows bulls are not having the energy to break this daily CPR level, and so the candle started to come down below daily CPR. So there you could have taken a good short position and you could have easily exited your trade as soon as Bank Nifty reached that particular day low levels, S1 previous day low levels. So this is your first trade, a very simple and easy trade. Even a school kid can easily trade this. And when S1 and previous day low is broken, you all know very well about our S1 and previous day low strategy, and it is having more than 80% accuracy. When S1 and previous day low is broken, you could have taken a short with stop loss at 50% of S1 and previous day low, and you could have easily exited in this fall. So on Monday, 2 trades are successful. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got for Tuesday. On Tuesday already there was budget panic and this Adani issue was going on. So people were very cautious. The buyers and sellers were in a panic whether the market will crash or whether the market will be bullish because of this budget. So lot of confusions were there. But look at the CPR, how clearly it showed the trend for that particular day. The candles were beautifully taking support at daily CPR. So what we will do, as soon as the candles are bouncing from daily CPR around this particular level, you could have easily gone for a long position and you could have easily done a quick scalping till the day high, till the first candle high. So that is the day high. You could have easily done a quick scalping. Right after that, you can see the candles did not break R1 and previous day high, and that's it. One trade, and that is also a very beautiful trade. You could have easily won that particular trade. Now let's say you are taking a early entry somewhere in this second candle or in this candle or in these candles. Let's say you are taking some long opportunity, and in this lower week, if your stop loss is hit, let's say your stop loss is hit in this lower week, still you can go for a long when you see some good size candles going towards the upside. All right, so that is how you trade generally. Because many people they take a trade when the candles are breaking R1 and previous day high, and suddenly there will be a reversal. So what happens when you enter here, your stop loss would have been hit, and once again when the market comes up, once again you can re-enter. Okay, you can re-enter and you can easily make some money. So that is the criteria for trading using CPR. Overall, Tuesday it is like a break-even trade. So let us look at the trade opportunities we got on Wednesday. So Wednesday, budget was there, and look at how CPR clearly showed you the trend. The candles were already sustaining above R1 and previous day high. And one interesting thing is, you can check my Telegram channel, my trade plan for budget session. I was very clearly telling that if candles are sustaining above R1 and previous day high, then the trend is going to be bullish. If the candles are coming below R1 and previous day high, then the trend is going to be bearish. And when the candles were breaking R2, what I said is, If candles are sustaining above R2, Bank Nifty is going to be bullish, and that is what I said. And exactly it happened in the morning before the budget speech. The candles were comfortably taking support at R1 and previous day high, and once R2 level is broken, many people, we took a trade and easily we scalped in this candle itself, because the premiums were rising drastically. You no need to think that my stop loss would have been hit somewhere around here. No, because the premiums were jumping like anything. So easily you could have scalped somewhere between 50 points. 50 points is very easy on these kind of volatile days. And look at the Bahubali candle. Many people were making fun of this Bahubali candle, but look at the Bahubali candle's strength. So this is why we use the term Bahubali candle, hero candle, for better understanding. And then there is a straight rally towards the upside. So easily we made money. Even I posted my live trade in my Telegram channel. You can go and check that. There was a strong reversal in Bank Nifty. See, you can short below R4. You can short below R3, you can short below R2, you can short below R1 and previous day high. When you are taking a short at below R1 and previous day high is good, whereas when you are taking a short below R4 or below R3 or below R2 is bit risky. So what you have to do is you have to reduce your quantities, right? So many people are asking that can I take a short here or there or there? See, you can take short whenever the candles are reversing from resistance levels. Now this is a kind of reversal from R4, a reversal from R3, a reversal from R2, but these are risky trades, which is not in our which is not a part of our strategy, because in risky trades many retail traders, they tend to make mistakes and they lose a lot of money in these kind of risky trades only. That's why we focus on beautiful trades like R1 and previous day high breakout, S1 and previous day low breakout, like that. And even you could have taken a short below daily CPR, and that trade would have been a profitable trade. Below R1 and previous day high, that trade is a profitable trade. So overall, on budget day, a lot of trades were profitable. I took almost 4-5 trades, and that too in 2-3 accounts, and all the trades were profitable. So I was the happiest person on this budget week. What happened on Thursday is Bank Nifty was going on the top, and it was taking resistance at daily CPR. You can take a short position when the candles are taking resistance at daily CPR for a quick scalping. And even on Thursday expiry day, the premiums were very high. The premiums were increasing drastically, and the premiums were decreasing drastically. Stop loss was getting it very quickly as well. So when you are taking a short position in this red candle, make sure you go for a quick scalping. Even this 50% level gave a beautiful money, and after that we can witness that Bank Nifty was stuck inside a range. After that, no trades at all. If you are planning for taking a short, even in this reversal, you can take a short, but make sure you exit soon. Exit as soon as the candle reaches this particular support level. So overall, even on Thursday, the trade was successful, but the only point is it was difficult because of the premiums, right? And let us look at the trade opportunities we got on Friday. So Friday, what happened? I was talking about this gap filling in Telegram channel. I posted the trade plan telling that there are chances for gap filling, and as I said, there was a huge gap filling. The candles were not able to go up. See, there was a gap up market, but the candles are not having the momentum to go up, and we started to see lower highs repeatedly. What I did, I bought a put option, and I easily captured 200 points in this fall. And I set the trade plan in Telegram channel, and I even posted the live trade in Telegram channel. So this is a beautiful trade, easy trade. And even in this R1 and previous day high reversal, it quickly gave easily 50 points. So you could have done a quick scalping. And once again at R1 and previous day high breakout, look at the beautiful rally. So that is the power of R1 and previous day high breakout strategy. So even today, many people have made money at R1 and previous day high breakout, and they posted their screenshots to my WhatsApp. So overall, this budget week was very, very profitable for option buyers. Even the last week, the market was very, very easy. Look at the market. The market started to break S2 levels, and it started to fall. and the market started to break S1 and previous day low levels, S2 levels, S3 levels, and it started to fall. And here also, today's market is almost similar to Jan 24. Candles were having a gap up opening, but they were unable to go up, and the candles came down. So very beautiful trade opportunities where there is a reversal trade, and when candles came below previous daily CPR, you could have done a short position. When candles were breaking S1 and previous day low, you could have done a short position. So beautiful trades we got last week and the budget week. So I hope you are all making some good money using the CPR strategies. Share this videos, share this YouTube channel to all your friends. Let's make everybody profitable traders. And join my Telegram channel if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, so that you get to know the live market trade plan, and I will be sharing my order book as well. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. In the next video I will post about the trade plan for upcoming week. Bye. Thank you.